Hi everyone, this is Kijo Vlog, sa Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa what do you call this? Sa maybe compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Ano to?
Sinong manager mo, Bimbi?
Bago
Ako
to?
road manager.
For 13 years.
You would like to thank
Jack Salvador for being my constant companion through this very, very, very interesting journey.
Interesting journey.
I-edit niyo yan, ha? Charot.
I-edit niyo yan. I-edit niyo yan.
Oh, mentality niyo yan. Charot.
Great Wall of Bimbi. Why am I
Oh my God, it's great.
a Great Wall?
Hindi niya po binabakuran. It's just sweet lang siya.
Yes, oo. Ang sabi ko nga, 'di ba? Ang sabi ko nga, ito ha, yan yung example. Okay? Huwag natin seryosohin lahat. Okay? For example, ako binabakuran ang mga title ko or sinasabi ko bakod na bakod, binabakuran. That is my own opinion. That is my reaction. Okay? Kasi 'di ba? Kung masasabi ninyo ha, kung makikita niyo kung hindi si Bimbi at si Raisa yung pinapanood natin, tapos kung ang purpose talaga is binabakuran, katulad ng ginagawa ni Raisa and Bimbi, masasabi mo talagang binabakuran. Pero it's not our story to tell kasi. So, kinonfirm talaga ni Bimbi and ni Sir Jack na hindi niya binabakuran. Sweet lang talaga siya, which is hindi na din naman talaga. Ang akin lang naman, that is my opinion. Wala namang kumukontra sa akin actually. Pero that is my own prerogative. Like, that is my own, what do you call this? Chika in life. Charis, di ba? Anyways, ulitin natin.
Huwag muna tayo mag-accept. Pagin mo na stickers.
Ba't ang gwapo mo, Bimbi?
Oh,
Why am I so gwapo? I was born this way. I'm just joking.
I was born this way.
Tulog po. Tulog.
Morning.
Sleep,
Kaya
and
pala
sleep.
wala akong tulog. So I
was
need to
born
sleep.
this way.
Pero sana may magkapadala ng stickers pa.
Bim, please don't, I will never.
Oh, stickers, thank you. Nakita mo minsan may mga magbabagsak dyan yung malalaking stickers yung gagalaw. Shoutout natin yun.
Are you happy in Bulaga? Of course I'm happy. How could I not be? I'm working with very, very good people who are genuine. Opo. Walang
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Very, very, I don't know what that is. Pero thank you.
Okay. Nag-live
Ano
pala
nga
sila kagabi.
I'm working with very, very good people na hindi peke. Na they're real, genuine people who, who truly love one another. Pamilya eh. They're like a family talaga. And I'm very, very glad that I was a part of that family.
May bago pong kantang lalabas si Bimbi, abangan nyo. Ang title, Huling El Bimbi.
Nakailang
ba?
Sinong manager mo, Bimbi? Ako road manager.
For 13 years.
You would like to thank
Jack Salvador.
Jack Salvador. Anyways, ay ito, ang dami nilang live. Ang
si
dami
Raisa
nilang
po
live
ay nasa
kagabi.
bahay niya po. Wala po
Ay.
dito. Hindi naman po sila mag-asawa.
Oo nga naman. Oo nga naman. Bakit naman kasi tinatanong?
Si Raisa po ay nasa bahay niya po. Wala po dito.
Bakit naman kasi tinatanong? Ang gwapo ni Bimbi. Oh, di ba? Happy birthday, Eat Bulaga! Okay. Anyways. Ay! May sariling mundo talaga si Abaktoy. Okay, what's next?
Dito.
Ayan, naghahanap pa naman pala sila.
Bukas.
Kailan to?
bukas.
Matagal na ba to? Pwede panoorin natin to.
Wala si Bimbi dito.
Ay, sino to? Baby pa sila. Si Raisa May. Baby pa si Raisa May dito. Atake. Ay. Atake naman si Raisa. Isa pa nga. Ay. 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 anyways, marami pa dito.
Sinong manager mo, Bimbi?
Marami pa dito. Ay, hindi. Ay, ito. O, di ba? Sa kanila, itong mga edits na to, nagjo-joke lang naman to. Pati si boss, sila tuwa sa kanila. For today's video, tinangan natin. Bakit yun naman ini-eme-eme? Bakit yun naman ini-eme? May sariling mundo talaga sila. Suffer. Ay, ito. Diyos ko, puro patay. Ay, cutie. Cute. Okay. We did it. Okay. Ay, hello. Ay, di ba sa kanya talaga yan? Okay, what's that? Ay, sweet. Ay, Mukha ba lang kinikiss? Ano. Sige nga. Oh, lakas. Bakit?
So cute si Raisa ang nauna.
Ito
Ang
yun.
malikutin naman.
Nahuli sila.
Oo,
Bakit
nandun
eh?
sa gitna si Baby. Oh my
Ay.
God.
Okay, gets. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang pala ako yung may ganong hindi lang pala ako yung may ganong prerogative. Or
Kailangan may madalang stickers.
wait lang, hindi lang pala ako yung may ganong, how do I say this? Hindi lang ako yung may ganong observation. Di ba? As a actor, trabaho ko nga
Kailangan
ni.
may madalang stickers pa.
Ay,
Bim, please don't
please, babe, don't hurt our aling maliit, ha? Ay!
I will never.
Ay, uy!
I will
Oh,
never.
Suffer! Totoo ba?
Kailangan may madalang stickers pa.
Bim, please don't
Okay.
I will never.
I will never. Ay, ito. Eh. Okay, what's
Why am I so
that?
guwapo? I was born this way.
Ay, ang dami pala nilang live.
Wala akong tulog, so I need to sleep. Kailangan may madalang stickers pa.
Bim, please don't I will never. I will never.
I will never.
Oh, stickers, thank you.
Okay. Ay, ano to? Mga panahon wala pa si Bimbi. Patingin. Sino to? Mga panahon wala pa si Bimbi. Hindi pa siya behave. Kasi hindi naman natin sinasabi na hindi siya behave for today's video. Si Enrique Hill. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!